If you're about to start a faceless YouTube channel, there's a very good chance the niche you're considering will either get you demonetized, terminated, or stuck making pennies no matter how many views you get. I see people make this mistake constantly, and the worst part is that by the time they realize the niche was wrong, they've already spent months building something that was never going to work. So I'm going to run through the 10 faceless niches you need to stay away from right now, and then I'll give you 5 that actually make money, ranked by affiliate potential. The number 1 niche at the end of this video has some of the highest paying affiliate programs on the entire internet. Let's start with what to avoid. Number 10, meditation, relaxation, and affirmation videos. The risky version of this is generic AI music over stock footage with copied affirmations and hundreds of nearly identical uploads. YouTube's system sees that as repetitive, mass-produced content, and once you get flagged for it, your monetization is gone. If every video on your channel looks and sounds the same, you're giving YouTube a reason to pull the plug. Number 9, Reddit AI story shorts. This used to be one of the easiest formats to start with, which is exactly why it's one of the riskiest now. AI voiceover gameplay footage reading Reddit stories is one of the most copied formats on the platform, and YouTube is actively cleaning these channels out because there's nothing original about them. Number 8, AI-generated nature and fake animal rescue videos. This includes fake wildlife scenes, fake rescues, and emotional AI-generated animal content presented as if it's real. It's misleading. It builds zero trust with your audience, and YouTube has been flagging these channels aggressively throughout 2026. Number 7, kids content. This is one of the hardest niches for beginners because there are extra rules around content directed at children, lower personalization options, and more responsibility. The FTC can charge up to $42,000 per video if content targeting children isn't properly marked. AI-generated kids content that looks low quality or mass-produced is especially risky. Number 6, celebrity drama and gossip done wrong. If you're using AI to make up quotes, alter images of real people for thumbnails, or make false accusations, you're asking for trouble. It might get clicks in the short term, but it's not a stable business, and it can create legal problems on top of the platform issues. Number 5, news and political commentary. This can work for experienced creators, but for beginners, it's stressful, time-sensitive, divisive, and can easily run into advertiser safety issues depending on the topic. I wouldn't touch this one starting out. Number 4, fake AI history and documentary. This includes anything that presents AI-generated events, fake photos, fake experts, or fake historical footage as if it's real. If you're using AI visuals in educational content, it needs to be clearly framed as illustrative, not passed off as actual footage. Channels that blur that line are getting terminated. Number 3, make money online done wrong. The fake guru version of this niche, promising easy money, overnight income, and showing unrealistic screenshots, will destroy your channel. YouTube has been actively taking down channels that use specific dollar amounts in titles as income promises, even if the video itself has disclaimers. You can teach online business and monetization, but you have to frame it as educational tutorials, not copy this and get rich. Number 2, revenge and infidelity stories. These rely on fake Reddit-style drama, emotional manipulation, and the same story template repeated over and over with slight variations. They might get views, but they don't build a sustainable channel because the content is interchangeable, and YouTube's inauthentic content policy was designed to catch exactly this type of output. And the niche to avoid above all others, number 1, AI slop. Mass-produced videos with generic AI scripts, AI voice, AI images, and no real human insight anywhere in the process. This is the single riskiest model on YouTube right now. Every wave of demonetizations that's happened in 2025 and 2026 has targeted this exact type of channel. If you can't point to a single creative decision in your video that a human made, YouTube is eventually going to catch it. The common thread across all 10 of these is simple. If the niche needs stolen footage, fake stories, fake authority, extreme emotional manipulation, or hundreds of nearly identical AI videos to work, stay away from it. YouTube is rewarding original and authentic content, and they renamed their old repetitious content policy to inauthentic content specifically to make it easier to take down channels like these. Now, Let's talk about what actually works. These are the 5 faceless niches I'd recommend right now, ranked by how much affiliate revenue you can generate in each one. Every single one of them targets audiences in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, where the RPMs are highest and the buying intent is strongest. And all 5 of them meet the criteria I always look for. The audience has a real problem they're trying to solve, the content is evergreen, and there are affiliate programs in the space that pay commissions worth your time. Niche 5. Cruise tips for retirees. This one sounds narrow, but that's exactly why it works. The average cruise passenger in their late 50s has serious disposable income and is actively looking for recommendations before they book. Viewers in this niche watch long videos because they're making a big spending decision and they want all the information they can get before committing. You can link to booking platforms, travel insurance, luggage through Amazon, and travel credit cards that pay $50 to $100 or more per approved application. The content is evergreen because people are always planning their next cruise, and the audience actually follows through on recommendations because they're spending thousands of dollars anyway, and a good tip from your video feels like a no-brainer. That's solid, but the next niche has even more products to sell, and the audience spends money year-round, not just when they're booking a trip. Niche 4. Pet care for specific breeds. Older adults spend heavily on their pets, and this niche can sell food, insurance, grooming products, supplements, GPS collars, and training programs. A channel dedicated entirely to one breed, like German Shepherds or Golden Retrievers, speaks directly to an audience that spends hundreds of dollars a year on that specific animal. There's a faceless channel called The Purring Journal, doing hundreds of thousands of views a month, with nothing but stock footage of cat videos and a voiceover. Pet food companies, supplement brands, and training platforms all have affiliate programs, and the viewers are actively searching for product recommendations because they want the best for their animal. Now, those 2 niches target consumers. The next 3 target people who are about to make financial decisions, which is where the affiliate commissions get much larger. Niche 3. Software tutorials for small business owners. Business owners search YouTube with immediate buying intent. They need a CRM, they need bookkeeping software, they need an email marketing tool, and they want someone to walk them through which one is best before they commit to a monthly subscription. SaaS affiliate programs in this space can pay $50 to $500 per referral, and many of them offer recurring commissions where you earn every month the customer stays subscribed. A faceless screen recording tutorial showing how to use QuickBooks or any other business tool is simple to produce, targets a high-income audience, and every product you demonstrate can have an affiliate link in the description. Niche 2. Personal finance for Americans over 50. This is one of the strongest RPM niches on the entire platform because it connects to retirement, investing, taxes, Medicare, insurance, and estate planning. The audience watches long videos because they're making decisions that will affect the rest of their lives. And the affiliate potential is massive. Credit card programs pay $50 to $200 per approved application. Brokerage platforms pay referral bonuses. Tax software, retirement planning tools, and insurance comparison sites all have programs. Every viewer is actively researching financial products, which means the conversion rate on your affiliate links is going to be significantly higher than in entertainment niches where people are just watching to pass the time. Niche 1. AI tools for business owners. This niche is growing faster than anything else on YouTube right now, and the reason it's number 1 is that the entire content model is built around recommending products. Every video is essentially a tutorial or review of a tool that the viewer is considering buying. The affiliate programs behind these tools pay $20 to $100 or more per referral, and many of them are recurring, meaning one sign-up through your link pays you every single month that customer stays subscribed. A faceless screen recording showing how a business owner can use a specific AI tool to save time or make more money is one of the simplest videos you can produce. And every tool you demonstrate has an affiliate link in the description. The audience has money to spend, they're searching with buying intent, and the niche is growing so fast that there's room for new channels to break in every week. You now know which niches to avoid and which 5 are worth your time. But knowing the right niche is only half the battle. The other half is building a channel in that niche that actually generates affiliate income before YouTube pays you a single dollar. That is exactly what Dave Nick teaches inside the Online Business Club. Dave built multiple faceless channels past 1 million subscribers each, 2 golden play buttons, without ever touching AdSense as his primary income. And he backs it with a 90-day guarantee. Make $1,000 or get every dollar back. Which niche have you tried before or are you planning on getting into? Let me know in the comments and hit like and subscribe while you're there for more videos like this.